Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. If you're new, take a look around. Hopefully you'll find something you like. If you're a subscriber that's been with me for a while, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming and watching. Today we will be doing hamburger sliders, so stick around, let's get it. All right, so the ingredients for the cook today is pretty simple, straightforward. We'll be using some sweet Hawaiian rolls by Sara Lee. Picked up some ground beef. It is $73.27. I'll be using some Sargento sharp cheese, and then I'll be using Kobe Jack cheese here. And for the seasoning, it's new. I'll be using the Burger Royale Burger Blend by Fire and Smoke Society. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it is. So we will get the meat going and I'll bring you back for that. All right, so we will go ahead and get our meat in the pan to prepare to brown it. All right, we just finished up the meat. I drained a little bit of the fat off camera, so we're ready to move on to the next step. All right, so we're gonna start getting these sandwiches together. We'll start by putting down a light layer of mayo. We'll come back with some mustard. All right, now I'm gonna add my layers of cheese here. All right, now we'll add our hamburger meat. We'll come back with our pickles now. And these are the bread and butter flavor. All right, so as you can see, I just got the sliders on the smoker. I'm gonna let them roll until the cheese starts to melt, and then I will pull them off and I will bring you back for the finished product. All right, everybody, so I just pulled the sliders off. They are done, they look good. You can see that, it's focusing well, but let's give it a taste test. So those are definitely pretty good. You guys need to give them a try. I want to thank you guys for watching the video again. If you will, give me a like. That helps the channel out with the algorithm. It pushes my videos out there. Again, I appreciate everybody that's my subscribers that's with me. I appreciate everybody that's new that came by to check us out. And until next time, we will see you guys.